the first thing I'm going to show you is the merchandising agent. What the merchandising agent does is helps an associate get the aisle ready for guests to be able to come and shop the store. Help me get this shelf guest ready. So I submit the question to Zebra Companion. The Zebra Companion understands that this is a merchandising agent request and then engages the merchandising agent. It comes up with information telling me on how to accomplish this task, and it's asking me to open the camera. When I open the camera, it gives me more instructions on what to do next. So I start, and it frames up to take the perfect shot to be able to capture the shelf for analysis. So as you can see, it's captured all the items, captured all the locations, and I'm going to submit this for analysis. It's analyzed the shelf and has found no discrepancy. Everything was good, which is exactly what we expected. Now I'm going to go and adjust the shelf and remove a product to simulate an out-of-stock condition on the shelf. So now I'm going to ask it again. Help me get this shelf guest ready. Again, goes through the prompts, opening the camera, taking the photo, submitting the photo. It's identified correctly that we have product missing, the baby formula. It's also showing, because it's gone and checked inventory levels, that there's no bag stock. And what I should do is I should flex on the shelf a substitute product. It's also created a task that I can either have assigned to someone else or complete myself to go and get the shelf corrected.